So infinite trading method part 25, the greatest trading method on the planet, right? So we make a trade at the last 5 seconds, purchase deadline, we sell here. We sold because the relative strength index and the commodity channel index both were under the halfway points, right? And that's what you do. If they're above their respective halfway points, that is the 50 for the RSI and the 0 for the CCI, you buy. If they're under the halfway points, that is 0 for the CCI and 50 for the RSI, you sell. So halfway buy, halfway sell. Right? So if 2 loses, then we do 4, right? And 4 gives you back $3.73, which you make back your $2 that you lost plus $1.73 profit. So you never really lose. Infinite trading method, we trade for 10 minutes. So we stop trading at 12 p.m., 12 a.m., 12 p.m. It's 12 p.m., right? Last 5 seconds, we look and see where our indicators are, and we buy here for 4, and we move up to 9, and we wait. Right? If 2 loses, we do 4. If 4 loses, we do 9. If 9 loses, we do 19. If 19 loses, we do 41, 87, 184, 391, 875, and 1910 respectfully. This is infinite trading method. Make sure this thing is on DND. There we go. So you see that 4 and 2 loss. So now we do 4, 5, 6. We do 9, right? And 9 gives you back $8.39, which is $2.39 profit, which is extremely good, right? So here we sell for $9 and we wait. Yes, sir. Beautiful. If 9 loses, then we do 19. This is so beautiful and so amazing, and this is similar to how life works. This is a life puzzle because, it's the losses that push us forward, and ultimately understanding that the more you lose is the more likely that you will win. So the only time you honestly lose is if you give up, right? So if I was to stop here and then decide that, hey, I've lost too much, let me start over, then you would lose everything. But if you decide to continue, then you will win. Just watch. You will win. Just watch. So because I won, I go back down to 2, and we restart the entire process of, beginning and end, trial and error. The beauty of this traded method, the amazing results of this traded method. This traded method is absolutely gorgeous. Right, so here we buy for 2 because both indicators are above their respective halfway points. Right, we move up to 4 and we wait. We only have had 1, 2, 3. This is number 4. We have 10 trades, and then this video will stop. Well, at least 10 minutes for this video. And yeah, this trading method can be used anytime, any day, any moment. You can continuously trade and continuously make money. The idea of believing in yourself, have faith in yourself, because ultimately having faith in yourself is ultimately having faith in God. Have faith in yourself to know that you can do anything you put your mind to, right? And understand that the money is not something that would come. The money is something that would follow you, right? Becoming the person you need to be to get the amount of money you need is what you need to do, right? So we sell here for 2 and we wait. After 2 it goes 4. After 4 we go 9. After 9, 19. After 19, 41. After 41, 87. After 87, 184, 391, 875, and 1910. And anytime you win in that order, you go back to 2. And that's the idea, right? To always go back to 2, right? Never, ever, ever stay high. Always go back and restart. Always, always, always. Yeah. So yes, who am I? I'm Shamoy. I am a representation of God's infinite potential. 707. And this is another dub. Back down to 2 and we wait. Bangins. So yes, this is good. This is extremely amazing. So yeah, infinite trading method. Yeah, we sell for 2 and we move up to 4 and we wait. Right? So understand that this trading method and this trading method's potential is infinite. You can trade like this for hours on end as long as you have enough money to back it up. At least be able to lose 10 times in a row. Do not trade over the counter. Only trade when the markets are moving. When this is when the markets are moving, this is OTC. OTC, you would know that it registered OTC. Right? You only trade when the markets is moving. And it only moves when, I mean, OTC does move too, but OTC is a little bit more tricky than, is it really? This method does work on OTC too, but I just try to stay away from OTC because why not? Why not take a break, you feel me? OTC is the time you should take a break. Skip. So, we sell here for 2 again, and we wait. If 2 loses, we do 4. If 4 loses, we do 9, and so on and so forth. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number 8. 2 more trades. Yes. So yeah, RSI default, CCI default, 50, 0. When it's above, you buy. When it's under, you sell. For the both of them, you just pay attention to your both indicators. So we sell here for 4 and we go up to 9 and we wait. It's a patience game. That honestly looked as if it was gonna come down. I really expected that down from that, but it changed its mind on me, which is, man, it could do what it wants. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ashigari Karanai. I wish I could have sing in Japanese. I can't do. Alright, so that's a loss, right? And yeah, this is 9. So and this one may be number 10. So like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Let them know that there is a way to infinitely trade without having to stress about losses, without having to worry about losses. You can trade infinitely. Right? The infinite trading method. Yes. Understand that you can never be prepared enough. Over prepare for everything you have to do in life. Everything you have to do, make sure you get it perfect, and you can. Only to trial and error. You would fail until you get it perfect, right? Only through trial and error do we become the best. Only through training and consistent training do we become the best. can become the absolute best at anything you want to do in this life. Anything and everything you want to do, but it's up to you to do it, right? It's up to you. Speaking of which, I need to. So, yes, this is the end of Infinite Trading Method Part 25. Like, comment, subscribe. This has been your host, Shamoy GG.